I want to quickly talk to you about Wave versus Zoho versus QuickBooks, which is the best small business accounting software out there. Don't go anywhere. Welcome back, folks, to another edition of the Awesome Sweetie Kiwi Show. How are you today? I hope you are doing fantastic. I'm doing marvelous. And if you are doing as terrific as I am, go grab a cup of coffee or tea or vodka and let's roll. Today's conversation, you know what, will be around three stellar players when it comes to small business accounting software. We have Wave, we have Zoho, and then we have QuickBooks. The cool thing here is that business accounting software can be the source of a lot of information for your company. Whether you are a solopreneur or you are a macro business or you are just a small business, it is very important to have the right type of small business accounting software. Now, how do you choose that? How do you choose the right one for you? First of all, you need to know the different business accounting software options. All right, so you need to think about the features that you are interested in. So things like small business payroll and accounting, very important. Business management software programs. You need to think about web-hosted accounting applications. Do you want software or you want web-hosted accounting applications? Those are a new breed of online financial management applications that have emerged in the last few years, taking advantage of the growing confidence that businesses are developing in the web as a safe business environment. And you also have to think about free accounting software programs. The thing here is that, are you interested in something quote unquote free? For business, we would definitely recommend paying for a service. All right. The thing is that you don't want to trust your business data to a quote unquote free program, especially when it comes to the financial data of your business. All right. Now, having said that, in our research, we have seen that a free version, for example, of QuickBooks lets you create invoices, print checks, handle payroll, and manage up to 20 customer accounts. There are plenty of free bookkeeping tools on the market, but QuickBooks is the best option for growing companies because guess what? It's very easy to step up to the paid version, which lets users track more than 10,000 customers. And so after knowing the different options when it comes to small business accounting software, you really need to understand your accounting needs. You need to know specific things about your business. You need to make sure that you are somewhat financially literate. You need to understand things like balance sheets, income statement, accounts payable, accounts receivable. I'm not asking you to have a PhD in accounting, but you need to have the basic terminology. You need to understand that basic terminology so that you can talk to an accountant or you can hire someone who can actually take care of things, but you need to have the basic lingo really taken care of. You need to talk to your accountant and staff. So if your business has an accountant, either an outside accountant or an in-house accountant, you would be wise to consult that expert before you take the plunge into accounting software. So your accountant may be able to recommend software that works with programs you already have. All right, so this is very important. You also want to talk to your IT department. They are just as important as your accountant. You need to understand your hardware situation. Business accounting software packages use big databases, right? And generally consisting of many different data tables all working together. So you want to take a good look at your disk space. Very important because as your accounting data grows, which can happen very quickly, the more room it will need. This is the most important item to review, but not the only one. And there are a few things you need to know before you start shopping. And there are actually four things that I want you to pay attention to. First, you want to know your budget limitation. Number two, you want to reach out to other businesses and software consultants. The third thing you need to think about is you need to create a wish list. And number four, you need to make your business accounting software decision. So first, you need to know your budget limitations. There are a lot of options out there. Today we are reviewing three: Wave, Zoho, and QuickBooks. But you need to know there are gazillions of software off-the-shelf software tools out there, and you need to know the ones that are within your budget. Very important. And you also need to reach out. You want to seek guidance from software consultants. You can go on the internet, you don't have to pay for it. You can go on software review websites, so you get the latest information about the particular software tool that you are interested in. Very important to always get second or third opinion before making a decision, as important as acquiring a small business accounting software tool. And you also want to create your own wish list. It's very important to understand what you are looking for in the software. Are you looking for AR, and are you looking for detailed financial reporting? Are you looking for a way to sort of manage your projects better? Because when you hear the term accounting software, a lot of people think, oh, it's only about accounting. No, you have a lot of software tools out there that basically handle not just basic accounting and bookkeeping, but you can also use it as a business planning tool, as a project management tool, as a risk management tool. So you really have to write down the things that are important, that are quite essential in your field before. And the last thing I want you to do is you need to make your accounting decision. You need to make your business accounting software decision. So you have talked to many people inside your organization and out, and you've read vendor literature and third-party reviews. You have used a few of the programs, or at least a tour of the screens. So now you have to make a decision. And in today's show, I'm going to help you pinpoint that decision and really, really go deep and justify the decision based on the pros and cons I'm going to share with you. But before I do so, please check out our software evaluation approach video. We do have a methodical way of analyzing and reviewing and categorizing software tools, especially accounting software tools that we review on this show. So check this out. All right, let's first get into it. So let me give you a synopsis of the three players that we are talking about today. If you're like most entrepreneurs, the business of your dreams probably didn't involve all of the accounting and bookkeeping that goes into running a real life small business. That's understandable, right? It may not be the most glamorous, but accounting is one of the many processes you need to understand and you need to monitor as an entrepreneur. And luckily for you, there are tons of apps and software designs that allow you to make accounting less stressful for small business owners. So first, I'm showing you Wave Accounting. You can see on the screen right now, you can see the snapshot of the website. And Wave Accounting, really, just to give you the gist of it, is a totally free accounting software designed for small businesses. Totally free. You heard that right. Totally free. You have a mobile app that you have capable features, and you have supreme usability, which makes this software a great option. And then you have Zoho Books. Now Zoho, we kind of like Zoho because this is the no fuss, all-in-one plan accounting software. So you have a free trial, a robust feature set, and excellent, and I mean it, excellent customer support. So those wonderful qualities make Zoho Books very valuable. So I'm showing you right now on the screen the website as well as the snapshot of the homepage, and then we have the well-known, the legendary, if you will, QuickBooks. So QuickBooks from Intuit, and now this is the accounting software that grows with you. So they have a flexible packages, ease of use, and a mobile app that makes this software a top contender. So I'm showing you again the homepage of QuickBooks. And so any of these solutions will help you save money without having to hire an accountant. The software can also help you save time and give you more flexibility by being able to check things straight from your phone. So whether you're a small business owner or a micro business owner or a solopreneur, you can still actually derive a lot of benefits from any of these solutions. So no matter what solution you choose, make sure it has the features and integrations options your business needs. So let's talk about features and integrations. So when comparing accounting software, it's important to have an idea of what features and requirements you want. So for instance, do you want features beyond accounting and timekeeping, such as reporting and analytics? What type of integration options do you need? So Wave Accounting is an accounting software that's designed specifically for small businesses. So the solution aims to make the accounting function as easy and stress-free as possible with a valuable suite of features that take the legwork out of small business accounting. So Wave's features allow for automatic entry of data from banks, credit cards, Excel, and other sources. It does also help in terms of invoicing and payroll and the ability to accept credit cards. That's fantastic. So the feature set also includes powerful reporting that offers valuable insights. And then you have Zoho Books. Now, Zoho Books is really the all-encompassing small business accounting solution. So we have added features like real-time inventory tracking and great support, great customer support. It's really definitely a competitor for your small business dollar, especially when it comes to features and integration. And so Zoho is really designed for smaller businesses, including freelancers and one-man shops or one-woman shops. So it makes accounting as simple, as straightforward as possible without skimping on functionality. So everything from providing estimates and following up on invoices to tracking inventory and handling bill pay can be managed with Zoho Books. You can do this in the software. And the cool thing here is that integrations with other Zoho products, here I'm talking about CRM and project management, are also included in all plans. That's fantastic. And QuickBooks. Now, QuickBooks also has a full and inclusive feature suite that encompasses invoicing and estimates. You have things like downloadable transactions. You can accept credit card payments. And the QuickBooks, they have 4 packages that provide the most flexibility when it comes to which features you want to pay for and allow you to add features as you need them. And so the feature set of the higher end packages is really a contender among accounting solutions. So right now I'm showing you on the screen. We have a comparative table of all the features and integrations for all 3 players. We're going to leave that on the screen for a while so you can see what you can do with a Wave versus Zoho versus QuickBooks. All right, I'll be right back right after this. Don't go anywhere. Welcome back, folks, to another section of the Awesome Sweetie Kiwi Show. I was speaking to you earlier about the features and integration options for those 3 players. Now let's talk about pricing and support. So accounting software pricing varies depending on how robust your system is. For instance, the number of features, users, and integrations you require will raise the cost, and that makes sense. So a good support team is also quintessential in training you to use the software and being there for any unforeseen complications, especially if you don't have an accountant in-house. You want to be able to have access to a great service, a great support service for your accounting needs. So Wave has an extensive feature feature set that encompasses all of the everyday needs of a small business. So the vast majority of features are included in the basic free package with only 3 requiring a paid plan. Zoho Books offers based on our analysis, offers the most comprehensive set of features. Many of them are included in the standard and professional packages, and this is a one-stop solution. What about QuickBooks? Now, QuickBooks is fully customizable, fully scalable. All right, and they have 4 different pricing packages. You can stay with QuickBooks as your business grows and always have a capable accounting solution. And their packages range from the low end to the higher end of the industry. So pricing is very competitive, and the mobile app keeps it fully portable. So we're showing you right now on the screen a recap of the pricing and support. So you can see the price on the screen right now, the price for Waves, Zoho, and QuickBooks. So for QuickBooks, we have self-employed, simple start, essentials, and plus. For Zoho, we have basic, standard, and professional. And for the Wave, you have the free and you have the premium tools. And in terms of support, you have extensive FAQ forums, online submission form, priority support available for $19 per month. And then you have for Zoho, you have email, phone support, user guides, forum, live chat. And for QuickBooks, you also have a similarly robust support model here with tutorials, FAQ, online submission form. I want to talk to you now about the reviews. And by reviews, I mean the professional reviews and also the user reviews that we were able to garner from the internet, but also by talking to private experts. Now, overall, Wave is a great option for small businesses. You really can't beat a free solution, can you? Right? And it's the one actually capable of. Wave is actually the one capable and effective as most paid solutions. So if you are a small business owner or a solopreneur with limited to no accounting experience, Wave will more than suit your needs, particularly if your business is extra small, micro business. Wave is definitely a contender. Zoho Books is a great software tool if you are looking for an all-inclusive tool to handle everything from invoicing to bill pay. The price, while slightly higher than other solutions, is still affordable if you really think about it, and everything is included. All right, so they also offer awesome customer support to ensure you get the most out of your software. And one thing to note is that third-party data entry is not automated, so there is a time investment involved to enter the data. And what about QuickBooks? Now, QuickBooks, if your business is growing or expecting to really take off, QuickBooks is the best option. It's fully customizable, and it has fully customizable packages that will scale with your business as you grow, allowing you to save time and effort when transitioning. And the packages that are available are competitively priced. So QuickBooks is a great option for your business. Now, what about the pros here? We're showing you right now on the screen here the pros of each software tool. So for Wave, it's free software, valuable integrations, great customer support, user-friendly dashboard, robust feature set. For Zoho, you have a free 14-day trial, real-time inventory tracking, powerful reporting, great mobile accessibility, and valuable integrations. For QuickBooks, the pros is very easy to use. It's affordable and flexible in terms of packages. It's fully portable with the mobile app, and they have great customer support. And I also mentioned before, it's scalable. That's very important. A lot of small businesses sort of ignore that aspect of things, but you got to think about scalability here. What about the cons here of each software tool? I'm showing you on the screen right now. You can see on the screen. So for Wave, you have limited reporting, especially if you're going with a free version. You will have limited reporting. Some features are paid only. You have limited integrations, not super customizable, and there is no check printing. Now, if you are in an industry where you don't need to print physical check, mail, like paper checks anymore, then you can still go with Wave. All right, but if you're in an industry where people still want to receive a paper check, then Wave is not really the option for you. What about Zoho? What are the drawbacks? It's not automated. There's no automated third-party data input. It doesn't integrate with Zoho CRM or project. You'll likely have to pay for the standard plan. And for QuickBooks, there are limited features, meaning that you may have to upgrade as your business grows, and limited reporting. You also have less valuable integrations. And we've spoken with a few experts in our research and our team. We have actually spoken with tens of experts. And one thing we have always received in terms of feedback is that Wave is a great accounting software, especially for small businesses or startups. The invoicing and billing systems are easy to use, and even better should you have any accounting knowledge. That's the consensus around Wave. About Zoho, we gave Zoho a test run and liked it. We liked the way it worked and connected with our bank account, and they are also very good in terms of integrating with third-party apps and the software tools. And in terms of QuickBooks, some of the reviews of experts revolved around the fact that QuickBooks Online has a very easy UI, UX user experience. It is accessible from anywhere. Data extraction into Excel is marvelous. So you kind of have an idea right now about what we're talking about when we have Zoho versus Wave versus QuickBooks. So Wave for the free portion of things, like you have a quality software tool at no cost. Zoho, you kind of have powerful reporting, and for QuickBooks, you're able to scale. You can scale the features that are available in the software tool as your business takes off. Before I give you our final choice about today's conversation, I want to give you more options. When it comes to accounting software, the realm, this ecosystem is not limited only to Wave, Zoho, and QuickBooks. There are literally gazillions of software tools out there, but there are four that we kind of liked, and we believe that they're really pretty solid in terms of their offering. First one is FreshBooks, and we are actually going to review FreshBooks in another show. And FreshBooks, you have cloud accounting solution. This is a cloud accounting solution designed with small businesses in mind. It's easy to use and ultra mobile. You have a free 30-day trial and 4 plans, which range from $9.95 to $39.95 per month. What about, and we have Xero. That's the second accounting software. This provides cash flow, invoicing, payroll, and more. Its iOS and Google apps keep you connected on the go, and you have a free 30-day trial and 3 plans that range from $9 to $70 per month. The third accounting software that we believe is very awesome is Less Accounting. So this is a software tool designed for business owners who don't like bookkeeping. So if you're not into bookkeeping, if you're not into accounting, you might want to give Less Accounting a try. It's fully customizable and scalable, and it's kind of similar to QuickBooks, but I would say with lower quality or lower integration capabilities. And the last but not the least accounting software that you might want to give a try is Cashew or Cashew. And this is a robust accounting solution that addresses all of your business's needs. It's easy to use, it's very secure, and they have 2 plans that range from $4.99 to $19.99 per month. So I'm actually just giving you an idea to say that beyond Wave, Zoho, and QuickBooks, there are other choices. And so you don't have to be limited to this 3 providers. I'll be right back right after this. Don't go anywhere. Welcome back, folks, to the final session of today's show. I really want to recap the show here. So, which one should you use? Which one should you choose? And which one should you use? Between Wave, Zoho, and QuickBooks. It really depends. It depends on your business's needs. It depends on the stage at which your business is currently in. It depends on a couple of other factors. It depends on the industry you're in. It depends on the kind of customers you have and the kind of integration you need. For example, some customers or vendors would want you to sync your accounting software with theirs. So it really depends. So I'm showing you right now on the screen here a recap of what each software is best for. So Wave is best for very small businesses, micro businesses and solopreneurs, and as well as those who are not experienced with accounting. That's what Wave is great at. What about Zoho? Zoho is best for small businesses who want all the features and none of the fuss with a simple plan. And what about QuickBooks? Now, QuickBooks is the best for small businesses who want a solution that can scale with them as they grow. So it really depends on your needs. But our pick, folks, we have picked QuickBooks. We have given QuickBooks a score of 10 over 10, Xero 9.5 over 10, not Xero, Zoho 9.5 over 10, and Wave 9 over 10. In our view, QuickBooks is the most complete solution we have evaluated in today's show. So QuickBooks is our favorite. Thank you so much for your attention. I really appreciate it. I will see you next time. But until then, remember, stay marvelous.